2020 was a challenging year for everyone, including UK manufacturers. So given the positive rollout of the vaccine in the UK, it does seem like we're starting to pass the peak of the pandemic. However, the UK also finds itself challenged by the repercussions of Brexit, and that's resulted in a significant impact on the supply chain. So we're looking to the future. Manufacturers need to take into consideration that both Brexit and the COVID pandemic will continue to impact manufacturing operations throughout 2021. The current economic uncertainty has led to a pause in investment activity, and that has delayed new product launches. However, consumer demand has only been suppressed for a temporary period, so manufacturers must be ready for the expected upswing in demand in the coming period. Where budget constraints may exist, manufacturers can look to apply for government-funded research programmes. That's to explore potential improvements to things such as digital tools or Industry 4.0, both of which will be key to any business's success in the long term. Additionally, manufacturers can also use this time to look at improving the flexibility and sustainability of their production facilities. So flexibility provides a level of robustness, and it enables manufacturers to meet varying levels of demand and product complexity. It also maximises the use of fixed assets and production lines. Also, sustainability, it's an ever-increasing consideration in new product and production launches. And that's to satisfy growing government legislation and consumer expectation, but if it's done right, it can be a real opportunity to boost efficiency and drive down cost. Again, if it's implemented effectively. Investing in research, flexibility and sustainability will enable manufacturers to better meet consumer demand once lockdowns end and economies stabilise. So demand is expected to increase significantly towards the end of this year and into 2022. Therefore, it's really important that production forecasting and production readiness are aligned and fully enabled to accommodate this. Our experts at HSSMI are keen to work with you to improve your facilities from a productivity, flexibility and sustainability perspective. Additionally, we have successfully applied for and led numerous government-funded research projects, and we can help you identify funding streams and prepare bids. So if you'd like to discuss how we can work with you, please do get in touch by writing to the email address at the end of this video.